All right, mate. Let's CWAR. Very new. When I looked at it, it reminded me of Shill. There's quite a few groups pumping Shill at the moment and getting involved in Shill and calling for $2. Will it get to $2 straight away? It's tough to say. The problem with these new coins is, you know, this is what happens, right? This is what happens, and they chop. Now, then as it chops through, then it depends on the market, and if there's buyers pick up on it, you know, is it going to go down or is it going to go up? And this is the same sort of thing. You really need to be reactive, because I would say it's a 50-50 flip of a coin. You know, is this going to go up or down? And a bit like these do. You know, if a few groups pick up on it, or they get good marketing off the launch, or whatever. If there's not too many sellers, of course, that's extremely important. But to know if it's going to go up from here, it's tough to say. I would just trade the new 3-day candle. Personally, I don't like to trade these. For me, this is too new and too choppy and too much. We'll call it too much risk, I suppose, because I see a lot of these roll over and then they bounce back up and chop more, and they can chop for a long time sometimes. So I just like to stay away from them, if I'm honest. It's way too new for me. But if you're really interested in this, like if I go to a 3-day candle, you can see what happened here on Seed, Shill, SHILL, but it's called Project Seed. But you can see here, this is a big bounce, right? This is a 40-50% bounce on a new 3-day. But the important thing is that once it flipped green, well, that was it after the races. So you have a similar circumstances here on CWAR, whatever it was, CWAR, that maybe something similar will happen, right? It is possible if the market maintains its kind of hot burst today and follows through, then maybe there can be more upside. So there's no need to buy this today. It's flat on the day anyway. You know, there's 6 hours left until a new 3-day. So I would just trade this on a new 3-day and then see if you can get some upside on this.